Let's set the system time and date using NIMAX. Begin by starting up NIMAX. This is the Measurement and Automation Explorer. I'm going to locate my device, and it's a MyRio. I'll select the Time Settings tab, and I need to log in with my admin account. All right, I'd like to adjust the date to reflect today's date, which is July 7th, and it's presently 3 p.m. And I'm located in the Eastern time zone, so I'll go ahead and leave that alone. And of course, you can select your particular time zone. Let's go ahead and hit save, and that updates the system time and date as long as the device remains powered. Note this field here called System Start Time. This is the time at which the time and date reverts every time you power cycle a device. Restart your device to save the current time as this system startup time.